to access your WhatsApp backup? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can access that. First of all, launch open WhatsApp. Now you want to tap on the three dots at the top right corner. From here, select settings. Now you want to find the option of chats, tap on that. Here you have the option of chat backup, select that. Now from here you can check out the date and time of your last backup. If you haven't selected the backup option, go ahead and tap on backup. Also, you want to enable automatic backups. You can backup your chats daily, weekly, monthly, or when you tap on the backup option. Now you can access your backup when setting up a new phone or reinstalling WhatsApp. Install WhatsApp and verify your phone number. During setup, you'll be prompted to restore the Google Drive backup if that is available. Tap restore and wait for the process to be completed. In this way, you can easily access WhatsApp backup. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.